Hello, welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from Klinkode. Today we'll explain the cart currency condition in our Cart Lock app. Open the Cart Lock app. First, click on the Add a New Rule button. Next, click on the Add a New Condition button. From the list that appears, choose the Cart Currency option. In the blank box that appears, enter the currencies you want to block. You can add multiple currencies separated by commas, such as USD, CAD, JPY, etc. For this example, we'll add CAD, which means any order in Canadian dollar will be blocked. Now give your rule a name. This name is for internal use only. Next, set a proper message. This message will appear when the rule is triggered, so make sure it's clear and helpful. Click the Save button to apply your rule. That's it. Your rule is now set. Next, let's head over to the checkout page. Refresh the page and take a look. As you can see, the error message we set in the rule is visible, and the order is blocked because we selected Canadian dollar as the currency. Now, change to a different currency, such as USD, by selecting the United States as the shipping country, and see the difference. As expected, the error message is gone, and the order is no longer blocked because we switched to a currency other than Canadian dollars. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the CartLock app. Happy selling!